Okay, so I told Chris last week that I'd give him an overview of how to use Google Drive, and we never got to do that in class, so I'm going to show him real quick how to do that. Right now I'm logged into Google, and if you're logged into your Gmail right here, you can see that in the top right hand corner there is a little 9 square thing, and if you click on it, it'll show you all the other Google products you have access to. So if you click on Drive, it'll actually open up to your Drive and it'll show you all of your files. If you want to see the files that have been shared with you, you go right here to the Shared With Me folder, and it'll come up here. So the Laser Defender and the GDD, everything should be right here. Real quick, I'm going to go to show you the Laser Defender folder so that we can go into it a little bit more. Okay, so on this screen, this is the shared folder with a whole bunch of folders that I created. You can tell by this little person here that the folder has been shared, and this over here will tell you all the people that it's been shared with and whether they can edit or not. Right here it shows the last modified time, and you can actually add a description to anything you want to, if you'd like to. If you click on the Activity tab, it shows you all the different things that have been done within that folder, when they were done, and by who. Okay, so this is where our documents are, our working documents. These are the ones that were shared for our homework last week for class. And if you create a document in Word and upload it, it'll still work. But before you can edit it, you're going to have to open it with Google Docs. And when it does that, it simply creates a copy of the file that's editable. So anything that you originally had there won't be ruined. You won't lose the information. It's kept as a reference for later. And since I just made that copy, I'm going to go back and delete it. And we can just see this was the last one that was created. So I'm going to delete that because we have too many extras anyway. These are the depreciated, so these were the original files before the edits that were turned in. Okay, so I put a folder here so that each of us can upload our packages to the specific levels. For example, if I was going to go to the UI and upload the UI and the UI based packages, I would go here. And you can drop files in here if they're individual files. If it's a whole folder, you're going to have to be signed into Chrome to do it. The folder upload does not work unless you're using Google Chrome. So you go to Click, New, File Upload, and just select your files. Simple as that. Alright, so now I'm going to show you, I made a file for the naming conventions so that if you have any special scene names or variables that we need to take note of for the programming later on, you can write them in here. Just make yourself a copy of this. You can Control C to make copy of text, Control V to paste it, and Control X to delete it. You can't use copy and paste easily within Chrome or within Drive. So it's easier to just get in the habit of using those hotkeys, because if you go and try to copy and paste from a document you have on your desktop, you're just going to give yourself a headache. Okay, and Drive automatically saves anything you do. So if you type in something and then you forget to save, don't worry about it. The changes will be there when you go back to the document. Okay, so working documents. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is also where I've been putting the updates. Anytime I put something, anytime I add something to the folder, I'm just making note of it here so that you can see, oh, okay, this is new or this isn't new, because I use this a lot. And this is just a backup of what we did in class on Monday. And I'm just going to go to the documentation real quick to show you how similar this is to Word. So just like Word, you have the little editing functionalities here. If you want to put it in the center, you can put it in the center. And if you want to change the color, you can change the color. If you want to change the background color, you can do that too. I don't remember where to do that. Oh, here you go. Highlight. There you go. Okay, so, yeah, it's pretty simple. Change that back. Okay. Ah, no. Text is black. Highlight is white. Highlight is white. There. Okay. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about how this functions or how or anything related to project, you're welcome to reach out to me. And Chris, I also put some stuff in the ideas folder for the backgrounds. We have, like, I thought this stuff might help, this one. And there's a link in the update file for you showing the desert thing that I was talking about. Okay, I guess you guys are busy working on levels and everything, and I hope you have a good Thanksgiving weekend. Bye.